Hi, welcome back. Premium Courses subscribers, good news. This week itself, we have launched 2 new lessons in your Premium Course subscription. The first one is the Fiery Chili Shoot, where we teach you how you can shoot stock quality, perfect, beautiful chili shot like this. And then we move on by burning the chili and capturing that beautiful, enchanting flame. And then we teach you how to change the color of the flame. Head on to your Premium Courses and enjoy this lesson. And the second lesson is the part 4 of the criteria of choosing the right camera. This is the part 4. I bet you have enjoyed part 1, part 2, part 3. And we hope with this 4-part lesson, we put an end to all the specification confusion that you have when you buy your next camera. And the third video we are adding is the photo review of Daniel Taylor's amazing shot. And this time I'm doing it with channel admin and experienced photographer Yatan. So head on to your Premium Course main page and enjoy these lessons. Oh, you must be wondering what Premium Courses are. Premium Courses are lessons on photography that you can subscribe on our website here. These are exciting whole year subscription covering a wide genre of photography, from composition, camera, lighting, portraits, anything. You name it, it's there. All for an affordable price of just $9.90 a month. So hurry, head on to this link, sign up and be a member of our Premium Courses and improve your photography.